Hello, in this video we shall be looking at how to place different types of order on Metatrader 5 application. So first, when looking at this chart, we can simply make a decision here. From what we are seeing, we can simply make a decision on where to trade. Okay, as you can see, we change to higher time frame in 1 day time frame. As you can see, from the 1 day time frame, that is a sign that the market is going up on the second candlestick. So therefore, we are taking decision to buy. We are taking the decision to buy, but not to hold it for long. So, but for the purpose of this training, we are going to start placing buy trade and other types of orders. So let's just move ahead. Let's move over to 1 hour time frame again. From here, we can simply use this. When you tap here, when you tap on this place, this is simply execute order. You can click here to instantly execute. It is called instant execution. So you can use it. First of all, let's look at all the other types of order that we can look at on MT5. So when you click here, this gives you the opportunity to place other type of orders. While here is just instant execution. This very one here is just for instant. Assuming we want to just instantly join the trade, either to sell or to buy, we will simply click there and we choose sell and buy. So let's make one order using this instant execution. So we want to buy, we can click here, this very place, this arrow here, we can click on it. When we click on this arrow, we are changing the lot size, which is the price we'll be using to buy this. We are just changing it. So let's click on it. As you can see, from here we can click the plus sign to add 0.5. We can click 0.1 to add 0.1. But we can also click the arrow to add, just like this. We can do it like this. Can you see that we just added 0.1? So we can click here to reduce it. You get what I'm saying? So we can click 0.1 to return it to 0.01. So this is the lowest lot size, 0.01. While the highest lot size here is, as you can see, the thing keep increasing. The highest lot size here is 10. So we're not trading with 10. 10 is the max lot size, while the mean is 0.01. So we'll be looking at the mean. We want to reduce this. So let's go. We want to reduce by 10, 1, 0.1, just the same thing we did. Can you see it now? So we want to buy, we click buy. Automatically, our trade has been executed. And when we click here at this very point, you can see when we click here, you can see we have our trade. So first thing we need to do, we click here. This is the trade we just placed. Remember, in using this type of execution, we have not applied any risk management. we have not applied any form of risk management. Remember what I told you, how risk management is important to safeguard your money. So first thing you do is you will click on the entry line that is showing the blue line here. You will click on it. Just click on this line that you're seeing, this blue line where your entry point is. Just click on it. When you click on it, we are setting up the risk management. So we are saying stop loss. Now from here, we are saying we want to lose. From here, we are saying we want to risk $1.50. Can you see it? So thank God to MT5, they have just updated it. Before we normally do calculation to get this, but now everything is automatically calculated. Can you see? We want to risk only 1.52 USD, risking 1.52 USD. Now what do we intend to gain? We click on here, the TP. Remember, we first clicked on stop loss SL. We are clicking on TP now. So we click on TP to add. We click on TP now to add the take profit, which is our target. So now we click on TP and we drag it. Remember, you drag, then click on this price bar, drag it. To move it down, drag on the price bar. Now move it up. Yes, our target is to have a potential win of 5.23 USD. Can you quickly see it here? This is what we are targeting to have, 5.23. So once you get to this place, our trade will be closed down and we have a profit. So we click on this symbol here. We click here now. When we click here, we confirm the execution and everything will be over. So click on the arrow sign. The arrow sign will give you opportunity to modify instantly. Click on modify and the thing is done. Now that we have it, this is just one type of execution. Repeat the same procedure for sell order. So we just did this for buy order. So the other type of execution that we'll be discussing, we'll be looking at, these are them. So let's go further. We click here and we click on this arrow. Then we click on this drop down. These are the types of execution. We just did market execution, which is the instant execution we're looking at. Now we shall be looking at how to use buy limit order and how to understand buy limit order. So using buy limit order, we are not selecting buy limit order from here. We are going back to our interface. I prefer trading from the interface. We said we want to use buy limit order. Can you see buy limit order? So what you do is you click on this very place here to change to a different type of order. When you click here, you'll be changing to a different type of order. Can you see sell stop? Can you see sell stop limit? Can you see buy limit? Now, when you move it up, the other remaining type of order will appear. Sell limit, buy stop limit. Can you see all of them? Now we are saying that limit order is order we want it to hit. Limit order is only this. Understand it in this form. A limit order is an order we are placing that whenever this price here touches here, this very line here, the market will execute and start going up. This is what is called limit order. So we're assuming that this price will move down to this place and touch this bottom, and it will start moving up. Just in an easy approach, we are saying it will go down, touch this line with the blue line we just placed, and it will start going up just like this. That is what we are saying. So we'll be using it. And what are the very first place to use it? You use it when you want to identify triple bottom and double bottoms. When you identify them, you use it to trade them. So how do we do that? Let's just say we identified one here. Let's just look for one. Look at here now. In this place, you can see that the price here, as you can see, from this point, from here, the price moved up and returned back to this very line. Can you see it? And when it gets to this place, the price touched the blue line and started moving up. So what do we just did now? We are seeing this price going up, and we anticipate that it will come down. When it gets to this line, it will move up just like this. This is the best approach to use limit order. So let's place one here. Remember, we are just placing this for the purpose of this training. So let's just go straight and place one. Let's remove this. So we are saying that when it touches here, it will start going up. So first, we need to place our risk management. We are saying we want to lose 1.53, and our TP, we are saying that we want to gain 4.11. We want to get 4.11. So now 4.11 is giving us is already giving us 411 pips, which is what you can see on the screen here. 411 point. That 411 point is being recognized as pip, while on the loss we are seeing 153 pips point, which is the loss, which is 1.53 dollar. So let's just place this by using buy limit order. So we place it. Remember, we click on the arrow here to place our trade. So we click here and we confirm with the price 0.01, which is our lot size, and we click place. We just executed, and when we go to trade to view our trade by clicking trade here, we can see that the order is being placed, but it has not executed yet. It's waiting for the price to get to that level, and instantly it will execute and start going up as we anticipated. So let's move to another type of order, which is this. We'll be looking at sell limit. I told you that whatever we do for here, we'll do it at the up. So we'll look at sell limit order. So what do we intend by sell limit order? A sell limit order is an order placed that when price gets to the level, it reverses instantly and start going to the other direction. Now, how do we do it? The same thing we just did here is the same thing we'll replicate, but in this case, it's going to be a sell order. So what do? We move straight to identify our previous high in this market. So we are saying that from this very point here, that the market reversed down, we are saying when it gets to here, that the price is going to go down, just like this. Look at what we're saying. Price move over to here at this point, at this very point here, the price, we are saying that the price will go down. So what we do is very simple. We first of all put our risk management. We want to lose we want to lose 1 point 1.68 and want to gain $3. So we'll just go straight and click on the arrow sign below to execute. Always click here. Remember, we are working with both risk management here. So from this point, we click, and when we click on place. If you want to change the price, the lot size, simply click on the plus sign, or you just type in direct the value. You delete, you type in the value you want. Let me say we want 0.02 now instead of 0.1. So we just click. If you want to be adding it like this, you click and it will automatically add. When you want to reduce, you click here, it will automatically reduce. Now from here, you can see our risk management, stop loss, take profit. Can you see both of them? So we just click and look at the current price we set, 1.01. So we just place the order. So we'll be stopping here for this very class, and we'll continue in our next video to discuss how to use the following remaining type of order. We'll be looking at buy stop and sell stop. Then on a different video, we'll be looking at buy stop limits and sell stop limits. Look at what is remaining here. These are what is remaining. So we shall discuss them one after the other. We have just done this tray. So we'll be looking at this remaining path of order. Thank you very much. Please remember to share, like this video, comment if you have any question. We are ready to answer you. Thank you very much. Remain blessed.